Zhejiang Qibin Technology Co., Ltd., and its associated company, Haiyan Lixiang Electronic Technology Co., Ltd., are located in Haiyan City, enjoying convenient transportation. We are a professional manufacturer of frequency inverters, integrating R&D, production, and sales. The main products: solar pumping variable frequency drives, elevator drives, universal inverters, and related products are widely used in steel, building materials, textile, printing and machine tool industries, etc. We support small MOQ and fast delivery time. If you have any new ideas for the products, please contact 861-8357-41165, WeChat and WhatsApp same number. With decades of experience in the frequency inverters industry, our products are selling well worldwide. Thanks to our flexible production capacity, adhering to the principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers. Because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices, we warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.